students. Today we are going to learn the fourth chapter of class 7 and the name of the chapter is Simple Equations. So before going to the chapter, we shall learn the basic terms which we will require in this chapter. So first of all, the very important thing is variable. So variables are the fundamental block of simple equations. So what is variables? See if your definition that will come up with matches the definition of the variable. So variable means it can be a letter or symbol that stands for an unknown number. So for a number, for an unknown number whose value we don't know, for that we can use a variable. And the variables can be represented by small letters or capital letters like A, capital C, small x, n. So all small letters and capital letters can be called as the variable. So in short, we can call a variable as whose value we don't know or whose value we have to find. It is called as the variable. Algebraic expressions. An expression consists of a combination of numbers, operation symbols, and grouping symbols such as parentheses. An algebraic expression is an expression that contains one or more variables. So here it is given the difference between expression and algebraic expression. So how the term algebraic expression came from the word expression. So expression means it is simply a combination of numbers, operation symbols and grouping symbols. You can see here addition of two numbers 3 plus 4, subtraction of two numbers 6 minus 2, then 6 plus 3 bracket minus 1. So you can see this bracket is called as the parenthesis. Okay, so here we can see here we don't have any variable, means no small letter or capital letter like A, B, C, D. So these are called as the expression. On the other hand, if I include variables in this expression, we will call as the algebraic expression. Reading and writing algebraic expressions. Now, if we encounter plus operator or minus or into or divide, so which are the word problems which means plus? So if in a question it comes plus, if in a word statement come plus, it means this one. If it is sum, then also it means plus. More than also it means plus. Increased by also means plus. Total means plus. In all means plus. Added to means plus. So whenever you get such type of words in the question, you simply means that we have to add, we have to plus it. Now which are the words means minus? So first is minus, difference means minus, less than means minus, subtract means minus, decreased by it means minus, take away that also means minus, subtracted from minus. For multiplication symbol, how many times? Times denote multiplication. Product also means multiplication. Multiplied, multiplication of multiplication. Now, there are three ways in which we can understand that it is a multiplication, like 5 into 6, 5 then bracket 6 and 5.6. So all these three means multiply. Divided, this is sign of division. Divided, quotient divided by, we can divide in these two manners, 12 divided by 6 or 12 by 6, both means divide. Now that we know the component of the expression, let's try to write an algebraic expression for each word phrase. Now 4 increased by a number. Now how we'll write an expression? So 4 increase means, as I told you in the previous slide, increase means plus. So plus by a number. So here number means it is a variable. We don't know the value. So we can take any letters. So let us take as X or C. So here we have taken C. So 4 plus C. 25 less than a number means 25 is less from that number. So let the number be suppose n. So n minus 25. Less than means 25. It does not matter what letter you choose, just as long as you include a variable. It means it does not matter we have taken here C. We can take any variable, any letter, A, B, C, okay, anything we can take. Now, here see why it is not 25 minus n. It is n minus 25 because 25 less than a number means 25 is less from that number. So n minus 25. Try to write this on your own. Add 3 to a number. So it means 3 plus n, or we can add n plus 3. So here we have taken n as a variable. So 3 plus n or n plus 3. Suppose let the number be x. So we can write 3 plus x or x plus 3. Some number multiplied by 16. So let the variable be x. So that x has to be multiplied with 16. So we can write 16 into x or x into 16. Here it is given b. So we can take 16 into b or b into 16. Now try to translate or write the following algebraic expression into a word phrase on your own. So n minus 5 and 9 plus t. So how we can write n minus 5? 5 is subtracted from n. 5 is subtracted from n, or we can say take 5 away from a number n. Okay. 9 plus t. 9 is added to a variable t. When we evaluate algebraic expressions, we are substituting a number in place of the variable, then solving for an answer. Evaluate each expression. Evaluate means find the answer. Okay. Evaluate each expression when a equal to 12. So here the value of the variable a is given, that is 12. So using the value of this variable, we have to find the values. So a plus 3. So what is the value of a here? 12. So 12 plus 3, it will give you 15. Second question, 17 minus a. So 17 minus a means how much? 12. So 17 minus 12 is 5. So you can see here a plus 3 means 12 plus 3 is 15. Then 17 minus a means 17 minus 12, that is 5. You try to evaluate the following when n equal to 4. 9n. Now see here no operator means no plus, minus, into or divide is there. So when nothing is there, it means 9 is multiplied with n here. Here multiplication sign is there. Okay. So 9 into n. So 9 into n will give you 9 4 ja is 36. 40 divided by n. So 40 divided by n value is 4. So 40 by 4 will give you 10. So these are the basics. So what we have learned in this chapter, we have learned what is expression, what is algebraic expression, and what is variable. So expression means it consists only of the numbers and the operation. It may be plus, minus, into, or divide. When we include the variables in the expression, we call as the algebraic expressions. And variable is the unknown identity whose values we have to find. It can be a small letter or it can be a capital letter. We can represent using small or capital. So this entire thing, this, for example, this expression, algebraic expression, and variable, this all comes under simple equations. So these are the foundation of simple equations. So in the next video, we are going to learn the exercise problems. So students, all of you go to the initial pages of this chapter. Thank you.